Yeah. This one. Video muna ako, sir, please. Chicken. Wow. Nice. And this one also vegetable. Dal. Nice. Very nice. And also, beef. Voila, beef. Voila, nice beef. This called this ginisa with the mixed vegetables, soup. Yeah. Wow, just like really nice. White rice for Filipino. One more. What is this?
Fish fillet, sir.
Fish fillet. Oh, nice fish fillet.
Chinese fish fillet.
Chinese? Oh, inshallah, mashallah. Very nice. Sweet. Very delicious. And this
This one, cauliflower with potato vegetable.
cauliflower, potato with
Yes.
vegetable,
Yeah.
Wow. So, and about this one?
This one dal, Indian dal.
Indian dal. Okay. So, what is the inside of Indian dal?
This one, Indian spicy chili,
Uh-huh.
everything.
Everything, What kinds of everything is there?
Chili, onion,
Yeah, and then garlic, ginger. Also ginger he has there? Oh, really?
This one very tasty.
Ah, that's why. Very tasty. Ooh, la la. Mashallah. Nice. And this one,
Special sweet.
special sweet.
Yeah.
There's leche plan in the Philippines.
Yeah. It's plain.
Leche plan. What
Leche
is in
plan.
Indian?
Yeah.
What is the Indian called that?
Caramel.
Huh?
Caramel.
What? Caramel.
Caramel.
Caramel. Oh. You taste it? Oh, there's our guy, Mr. Adir. Adir, bye-bye. Yeah, see? Hello, Mr. Adir. Oh, nice. You are very handsome today, Mr. Adir.
Thank you.
Oh, you single,
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, thank you very much. Bye. Please like and share and comment, please. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a good day.